Hi all, welcome to Hello World series. In this video we are going to talk about Eclipse and Maven bidirectional plugins basically. So when I say bidirectional plugins, it means that whenever I am in Eclipse, I should be able to create or manage any Maven project. And for that, I would need one plugin that we've already seen as M2 Eclipse, right? We have already seen a video on that. But bidirectional in the case where I have Maven project which I created using command line, but I want to work with that project inside Eclipse, right? So for that also I would need one plugin, that's a Eclipse plugin for Maven, right? So in this video we are going to talk about this particular plugin which enables your Maven project to be imported into Eclipse, right? So let's do one thing. Let's try creating one project in Maven command line, and then we will try to import that in Eclipse. So here we are using the same old command which we had already been using in our many of the tutorials, which will simply create a basic Java project. So this is generated. Now let's go to this directory and verify whether it generated any Eclipse specific files or not. There is no Eclipse project specific files. So if I try to import this project into Eclipse, I'm sure that Eclipse is going to say no, I do not accept any such project because it does not understand any Eclipse nature of this project, right? So let's try importing that. Import. And let's browse and watch it carefully. It says no projects are found to import, right? So it's obvious. Now the problem is how to make it enabled in Eclipse nature so that it will be identified by Eclipse as a project, right? So this is the command. I'm sorry, I should go to this directory and then I should execute this because I have to be in that directory before I can execute this command. So let's verify one more time by importing that into Eclipse. If you see that project again, these are the two files which are specific to Eclipse are generated by your command mvn eclipse :eclipse, right? So I'm sure that now Eclipse would happily identify this as an Eclipse project and it will allow it to be imported. Let's try importing again. See here, it identified, right? Let's finish. So it could identify this project as Eclipse because of class path and project file. They were created by mvn eclipse command, and we are able to import that project successfully. This is all from this video. Thank you all for watching my videos and following my channel. I'll come back to you with my another video. Till then, bye bye.